Hey guys, Gumleaf here. Today we're doing division and we're looking at the algorithm. We're going to start with simple steps. If you can remember, divide, multiply, then subtract, then divide again, multiply and subtract, you can't go wrong. All right guys, let's start with how many times does 2 go into 24? Now, remember the steps. First we divide, that's step 1. Then we multiply, that's step 2. And then we subtract, that's step 3. And these steps repeat until we get a 0 answer or we get a remainder that can't be divided by the original number. In this example, we're going to get a 0 because we know that 2 goes into 24 an even amount of times, so there will not be a remainder. Let's go. 2 goes into 2 how many times? It goes in once. Now we multiply. We multiply 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Pop it here. Put a line there. Now we subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Let's bring that 4 down. Now we start again. Let's divide. How many times does 2 go into 4? Well, that's twice. Now we multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. We've come to that 0. The answer is 12. Now to check that, 2 times 12 is 24. So 2 goes into 24 12 times. All right, we're going to start with 2 goes into 27. Now 27 is an uneven number, so we know that it's going to have a remainder at the end because 2 does not go into an uneven number. It will always give a remainder. Now let's remember the rules. The rules are, first we divide, then we multiply, then we subtract. So the first division is 2 goes into 2 how many times? It goes in once. Then we multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. You pop that there. Then we subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0 and bring down that 7. Then we start again. 2 goes into 7 how many times? 2, 4, 6. You can't go any further, so it goes in 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 doesn't go into 1 without creating a decimal. So we write the remainder. So depending where you are in your studies, some teachers are happy with a remainder 1 and that's the answer and you get a tick, well done. But other teachers might want that represented as a fraction. And how you write that is 13. Instead of the remainder, we don't write the R. We put the 1 over the divisor, the 2. So it'll look like that. So the answer will be 13 and a half. I'll do another example and you'll see how that works. Just remember that when writing your remainder as a fraction, the top number is the numerator. It's the leftover amount, the remainder, and the bottom number is the denominator. It's the number you were dividing by, the divisor. All right, we're going to do 5 goes into 553. How many times does 5 go into 553? All right. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the 5, bring down the 3. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the 3. 5 cannot go into 3. We're going to add a 0 here. And we have 3 remainder. Now, to write it another way would be 110 3 over 5. If you like our content today, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, make a comment if you like, and share. Thanks. See you in the next video.